Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am solving this quick problem block which is based on WordPress. So initially we was given this site, you can see. So it was a WordPress website. So at starting what I did, I started with Nmap to find, you can see, the open ports. So here I got 22 and 80 as open ports. Then after that what I did is I started like this WP scan. When I started WP scan, I first find a user. So here I got, uh, you can see two user Bejol and KV. So I tried password cracking for Bejol, but I didn't get any. So when I tried for KV, uh, here you can see I cracked the password too. Wait a second. Uh, so here, as you can see, uh, yes. So here I tried to crack the password for KV with the wordlist rock.txt, and I got the password this qtpy1. So then I log into the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see. So there was no theme editor or anything where I can put my reversal, so I was little bit confused. Then I checked the WordPress version, so that was 5.0. So I searched for WordPress 5.0 exploit, so I got to know about this. But this also didn't work for me. So what I did next, this is actually based on an image. Like here you can see we can upload media from here. So it is based on like media. You can say this exploit is based on like it uploads an image and then it like this image you can see. This is also uploaded by me only because of the server when I was using exploit using Metasploit. So what I did, I started Metasploit. So after that, this directory search was nothing to me. So I started, you can see this here, Metasploit. So first of all, I searched for like you can say WordPress only directly. There were many, you can see, exploit for it. So then as we can see the excellent one. So what we choose is WP crop RCE. So what it does is it uploads an image to the WordPress server and then it links it to the I guess theme, and then when the image loaded up it provides us a reversal. So when I used this exploit, I provided it with the rhost, the username and the password. So I provided it with four things: username, password, rhost and lhost. And when I, you can see it here, when I started the run command here, so here you can see I got the cell directly. So what it does, you can see this here. First it start the check the authentication we provided, then it prepared the payload and upload the payload. So here you can see there is an image uploaded, so it uploads an image. So then it include that image to the theme. So here you can say when the theme loaded, then the you can say the payload or reversal comes to us. So and that's why we got the reversal. So from there you can see wp config.php. So I getted wp config.php and here I got, you can see here, user WordPress user and password this, but this was also nothing worth. So then what I did is I started search for user.txt file. So here you can see there was user.txt file, but this was really not, this was showing try harder. Actually I can't run sudo, so I imported this cell here. So then what I did, I started to search for cron tab. So there was no cron job here, so this was also nothing precious, there was also nothing much. Then in the directory there there was a PDF also which I downloaded to my local directory and opened it. So it was just a letter to Bill Joel, so it was also nothing. So the main thing which came here, so what I did is I searched for SUID binaries. So here what I see, I got this binary, you can say has been checker. So what I did is I downloaded this binary to my PC and opened it with Gidra. So when Gidra, I always start. Actually, I am quite experienced with Gidra now. I've solved many CTF challenges. So I always start with opening the main function. So when I open the main function, the you can say here what it does. So it check if the user path, which you can say admin, is something value or nothing. So if the user path is, you can say admin is equals to 1 or equals to 0, then it will give you the cell, else it will give you not an admin. So what I did to do this, here you can see uh, yep, let's go a little bit down. Yes, so here little bit up. So here you can see when I wait a second, exported the admin path as 1, and then when I run the checker file, it gave me the root file access. So here I got the root access, and I got the root.txt file, and I also got the user.txt. So what I did, I find user.txt. There were two user.txt. That first one was on the visual user, and second was hidden here, which is the two flag to here. So it was quite easy, you can say, not tough, but okay. It was a great question. You can learn WordPress enumeration and SUID. You can also maybe learn Gidra, but Gidra part was too easy. So if you can say, if I did as if I just did export admin, and when did I learn checker? Oh, wait a second. The directory for checker is user explain. Just a second. Yes. /user and admin user admin / checker. No such file directory. Okay, let's see the slash. Okay, oh sorry, we were not in the root directory. Now, as I did this, paste it and run this command. So I'm actually already in root. First, let's exit the root. Exit. Okay. So then I will set, can say export only admin. Okay, and paste this. And then if I run this / checker, so here you can say I got the root access. So that's how you can solve this question. So that's it. It was, you can say, quite easy. That's all for today. So what if you think that we provided admin value 0? Okay, wait a second. Export admin. Yep. So here, if I run checker file, you can say I got the root. So that's it. That was actually quite easy. This part, actually this is happening because by default I first give the value 1, so it is giving the root, but it should not give the root actually. But okay, so according to the code, if we provide any value to it, then only it will give you the bin plus base cell. As you can see it here, if that admin environment is some character, then here, so you can see when I analyzed it in ChatGPT here, actually I'm a little bit confused because, so it checks if the environment variable admin is set to anything, not null. If not, then yeah, I was right. So if it's null, then it prints not as admin, as it prints the gives us the cell. So this is what I did: export admin as 1 and run the cell. So this set admin in your environment and run and give us the, okay. So that was great. So I have one doubt for this, like, so what is codeless if I have given command export admin only? Okay, let's check for this. Actually, I have a little bit confusion. So if I have written this only without assigning a value, so export admin without a value is equivalent to admin equals with is empty string. Okay, this is an empty string, no problem. It returns point to the string and stored in the environment which is empty string. If condition will not trigger because instead the code goes to else. Okay, then also it provides us the cell because it's an empty string. In the environment, the environment variable exists, it's defined, but it is an empty string. So it returns a pointer to the string stored in the environment, which is an empty string, but importantly, get environment will not return null. It returns the valid pointer just pointing to yes. Okay, so this code was it like we provide anything, it will actually give us, you can say, the cell directory. It doesn't depend you provide the value or not. So I studied the online write-up, there it was written wrong. Okay, no problem, but now we are right. So this was the question. It will give you 150 points, so you should try it once to gain some knowledge. That's it. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.